In this video, we'll explore how to effectively use ClaudeCode in pair programming settings to enhance collaboration and improve code quality. By the end of the video, you'll know how to set up and optimize ClaudeCode for seamless pair programming sessions. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that using ClaudeCode can revolutionize how you approach pair programming? Today, we will dive deep into this powerful tool and explore its capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, ClaudeCode provides a seamless environment for collaborative coding. By understanding its features, you can significantly enhance your team's efficiency and code quality. Stay tuned as we uncover how ClaudeCode stands out in the world of pair programming.
Pair programming is more than just two people writing code together. It's a collaborative effort that brings multiple perspectives to the table, resulting in improved code quality. By working closely, programmers can catch errors earlier, share knowledge, and ensure a more robust codebase. This method not only speeds up the problem-solving process but also fosters a deep sense of team collaboration and code ownership. In this block, we'll explore how pair programming, especially using tools like ClaudeCode, can transform your development processes for the better.
Getting started with ClaudeCode is straightforward but requires a few essential steps to ensure optimal performance in pair programming. First, we'll guide you through the installation process, focusing on the initial configuration that suits your team's workflow. Next, we'll navigate through the user interface, highlighting key areas you should familiarize yourself with. Customization is crucial, so we'll also discuss various options and plugins available to enhance your coding experience. By the end of this section, you'll have a fully operational ClaudeCode setup, ready for collaborative programming.
One of the standout features of ClaudeCode is its real-time collaboration capabilities. Imagine coding alongside your partner, making instantaneous edits that reflect immediately on both ends. This feature allows for seamless live coding sessions, enhancing the flow of ideas and solutions. ClaudeCode also offers shared debugging tools, powerful communication features, and smooth integration with version control systems. These functionalities ensure that your pair programming sessions are productive and enjoyable, fostering a collaborative environment where creativity thrives. To maximize the benefits of ClaudeCode in pair programming, adhering to some best practices is essential. Consistent code style is crucial for readability, especially when multiple people are involved. Efficient task allocation helps in managing workload and keeping the project on track. Regular code reviews ensure quality and provide learning opportunities. Additionally, using comments effectively can enhance understanding and communication. Lastly, maintaining focus and discipline during sessions can significantly impact productivity. Implementing these practices can transform your pair programming experience with ClaudeCode.
Conflicts are inevitable in any collaborative environment, but how they are managed can define the success of a project. In pair programming with ClaudeCode, understanding common conflicts and having strategies to address them is vital. Effective communication is the cornerstone of conflict resolution, as is empathy, which helps in understanding different perspectives. ClaudeCode offers features that can help manage conflicts, such as version control and real-time feedback. By being proactive about conflict management, you can ensure a harmonious and productive coding environment.
Debugging is a critical part of software development, and doing it collaboratively can lead to faster and more thorough solutions. ClaudeCode's shared debugging session feature allows both programmers to engage in real-time error tracking and resolution. The debugging tools provided are robust, enabling detailed examination and quick fixes. This collaborative effort not only speeds up the debugging process but also provides learning opportunities from each other's problem-solving approaches. By utilizing ClaudeCode for debugging, you can enhance both your skills and your project's success. ClaudeCode provides various features designed to boost productivity in pair programming. By optimizing your workflow and using automation tools, you can reduce repetitive tasks and focus more on creative problem solving. Effective time management is facilitated by features like task tracking and scheduling. ClaudeCode also enhances focus by providing a distraction-free environment, allowing programmers to concentrate fully on coding. Leveraging these features can lead to significant productivity gains, helping your team achieve more in less time. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering ClaudeCode for pair programming. We've covered everything from setup to best practices and conflict resolution. We encourage you to implement these strategies in your own projects to see tangible improvements in collaboration and code quality. Please leave a comment below with your experiences or any questions you may have. We'd also love to hear your suggestions for future topics. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your peers, and subscribe for more insights into coding and collaboration.